OpenRouter provides 200 trillion monthly token to 10 million plus global users. It has 70 plus providers and it provides 400 AI models. If you click this discover model, you will see right now there are various types of popular model available like Claude Opus 5, GPT 5.6 Solo, Grok 4.6, Gemini 3.5 Flash. And if you browse all 537 models here and see, the possibility is unlimited here. You can see all of this model available using OpenRouter. You can just use any of this model. And there is a good news. If you want to use free model, you have also the options. You will simply search free, and right now we can see all of these model are completely free to use. You can use all of these model completely for free. Okay. In this video, I will show you how to get API key from OpenRouter and use it to run AI models for free. At first, you will come to openrouter.ai. I will provide this link in the video description. From here, you will have to sign up. I will simply click this button, and here you have various options. You can go with your GitHub account, your Google account, or you can put your first name, last name, email address, password. If you have already an account, you need to sign in. I have already an account, so I will sign in my account. When you sign in, you will see your profile is here. At first, you need to get your API key. So click this get API key, and right now you will see under this overview, we will have API key, and I have no API key right now. Let me create an API key. We'll simply click this new key. Now you will put a API key name here. For example, I will say this is test API. Here you can select the expiration time. You can just create this API for 7 days, 30 days, 90 days. It's up to you. I will select no expirations. Then you can also give the credit limit. We don't need this. This is optional. We'll simply click this create button. Now you can see this is your API key. We'll copy it and keep it secure. Don't share it with others. Okay, when you have your API key, how to connect it? So for this, I will open Visual Studio Code. You can see here is a Next.js applications. And in this applications, I will try to integrate AI so that I can code with AI. So as we're going to use OpenRouter, we'll go to the extension sections, and here you can search various types of plugins. You can search for KiloCode, Client, OpenCode, and other stuff. Let me use OpenCode. So for this, we'll simply type OpenCode, and now you can see this is OpenCode, and this is the official plugin of OpenCode. You can simply click here. Now install it. When you install it, you will see this is the OpenCode icon. You will click here. And now let me close all of this stuff. You will see something like this. Okay. So how to connect OpenRouter? Here, you will just type /connect to connect a new provider. And from here, you will see there are lots of provider available. We'll simply search OpenRouter, and you can see the provider is available here. Let me click here. Now you will put your API key, paste enter, and now you can see all of this model is available. You can use Nematron 3.5, Link 3.0, Tiny Free, and you can also use others available model. Let me choose, for example, a model. We'll go with Not Minicode. Let me click here. And now Not Minicode phrase selected from OpenRouter. We can just try to build a feature. At first, let me analyze this code. Analyze this my code base. And see it's thinking. Look, it successfully analyzes this code base. And now you can start building projects. Before we end this video, let me share a true opinion. Look, when you use OpenRouter for free, it will give you 50 plus free models with rate limits. You can 50 requests per day for free model. If you want to increase 1000 requests per day, you will have processed at least $10 in lifetime credit. OpenRouter free tier limits depend on your account's credit history. So I will suggest you just purchase $10 lifetime credit, then you can enjoy 1000 requests per day.